Ka khat khandai terik yayong kedai kesngi kaba ki pajba kinjiet ye kinong mikmat shaying dorbar thau ain ha parliament kinong tre sarkar na Bhoi district nadu ki returning officer ki sector officer bat ki zonal magistrate ki la stang banmi na nongpo kum ka headquarter panlit pinpo ye ki tier kita shaki polling station ki ba Kham jingai Bhoi district na ka benta ka jingyai be yai renti jong ka election banjie ye ki MP.
So we are all geared to conduct elections, the General Assembly elections on 19th. And as you can see, some of the teams have already departed, teams which were posted in far-flung areas. So 89 teams have been departed so far today, and the remaining teams will be going tomorrow. So as far as preparation is concerned, all the preparations have been made and it is in full swing. With regard to law and order issues, a very detailed security plan has been made, and we are especially focusing on critical and vulnerable polling stations, the sensitive pockets, and the border areas. We have around 30, we have 31 polling stations which are critical, vulnerable polling stations, and 4 are critical polling stations. So for that, adequate arrangements have been made. We have CAPFs and sufficient deployment of police forces and also home guards to ensure that we are able to conduct elections peacefully in a free and fair manner. Along with that, earlier also this time 368 people opted for home voting also. These were the 85 plus age of voters and the PWDs. So out of this, 366 have voted and two voters have unfortunately expired during the course of this thing. So this has been the update so far, and we are looking forward for a very successful elections.